Good morning, students. Today we are starting with a new topic, adjective. The conversion of adjective in Hindi, you must be knowing that visheshan. Yes. So now we will be studying our adjective in detail. What do you mean by adjective? An adjective describes a person, place, thing, or idea. That means describing a noun or a pronoun. The word which describes a noun or a pronoun is known as adjective. An adjective provides information about the size, shape, color, texture, feeling, sound, smell, number or condition of a noun or a pronoun. किसी वस्तु की, किसी पर्सन की विशेषता बताने वाले शब्दों को हम कहते हैं विशेषण. Fine. Now, the next thing we will be discussing are the types of adjective which we have already discussed in our live class. First, adjective of quality. These adjectives are used to describe the nature of a noun. They give an idea about the characteristics of the noun by answering the question what kind, like honest, kind, large, bulky, beautiful, ugly, etc. For example, New Delhi is a large city with many historical monuments. So we are talking about the place New Delhi. What kind of a city it is? The large city. Sahara is a beautiful woman. Or you can say Sarah is a beautiful woman. So what kind of a woman Sarah is? Beautiful. I would like you to give me an honest answer. What kind of answer do I want? An honest. I feel really fat and ugly today. What type of the feeling I have? That is a fat and ugly there. So he carried a very bulky package on the bus. So what kind of a package he was carrying on the bus? Bulky. Now, moving forward, adjective of quantity. That was the quality in which the person's quality, the thing's quality were being described in it. Now here is the quantity, measurement. These adjectives helps to show the amount or the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. These adjectives do not provide exact numbers. Rather, they tell us the amount of the noun in relative or whole term. Like all, half, many, few, little, no, enough, great. These are the few words that have been basically used for the quantity. They have finished most of the rice. So, how much rice they have finished? Most of the rice. Many people came to visit the fair. How many people came to visit the fair? Many people. So, here we describes about the quantity of a noun or a pronoun. Now, adjective of number. In this adjective, we used to describe the numbers. Like, these adjectives are used to show the number of the noun and their place in an order. There are three different sections within adjectives of number. They are definite numeral adjective, those which clearly denote an exact number of the nouns or the order of the noun, like 1, 2, 20, 33, etc. are known as our cardinals. But if I say first, second, third, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, etc. These are our ordinal numbers. You have studied these cardinals and ordinal numbers in your maths also. Now, the distributive numeral adjective. This we have studied under the category of distributive adjectives in our live classes there. Those adjectives that are used to refer to individual nouns within the whole amount, like either, neither, each, another, other, etc. These are the words that have been used to describe the distributive adjective. For example, taxes have to be paid by every employed citizen. So, who will pay the taxes? Every employed citizen. Fine. Now the next one is demonstrative. In demonstrative, we have this, that, these, those. These kinds of words are used. These adjectives are used to point out or indicate a particular noun or pronoun using the adjectives like this, that, these, and those. This for the nearby things, that for the far away things in the singular sense. But when we are talking about the plural, for the near we will be use these, and for the plural who are far away, the things, the nouns there, the pronouns, those. Now for example, that bag belongs to Neil. So that bag which is lying there belongs to the Neil. Try using this paintbrush in the art class. I really like those shoes. These flowers are lovely. Now, interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns or in relation to nouns. They are like where, what, which, and whose. Where did he say he was going? What assignment did I miss out on? Which is your favorite author? Whose pen is this there? Now, after the types of adjectives, we have also discussed the degrees of adjectives, and we have studied the three types of degrees. One was positive, second comparative, and the third is superlative. Positive, when we are giving any positive describing words to any person, place, animal, or thing. Fine. But when we are comparing any person with another person, then we use the comparative degree. But if that person or thing is compared to many, in that comparison we only compare with the one person only. Okay, only the two persons are compared with each other. But when we are talking about the superlative degree, we are talking as a whole. So, in positive degree, we give a positive describing word, that is an adjective. Comparative, we use ER because we are comparing the persons or things. And superlative, we use EST because it is superior than everybody. So now, look at this chart. In the positive degree, I have big. When I compare the two person or two things, it becomes bigger. Ram is bigger than Sham, or Ram is elder than Sham. So comparison ER. Then superlative. This is the biggest building in the town. Yes? Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Now there are few of the words which changes according to the degrees. Like good is a positive degree, but when compared it becomes better. But that better, when it is said to be superlative, then it becomes best. So good, better, and best. Long, longer, longest. There are few more words where we are not able to use ER or EST. So we use more and most. More is used in the comparative degree and most is used in the superlative degree. Like beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. Fine. So this was all about the adjectives. I hope you have understood the adjectives through the live classes and through this video. We will be meeting you soon in the next video with a new topic. Till there, have a nice day. Goodbye.